Assalamualaikum. We meet again. Hope you are doing well together, your family, and also. All right. What I want to say, forget already. Okay. All right. So today, we will continue with our third subtopic in milling process. Okay. For today videos, I plan to do some enrichment ataupun comprehend session. Okay, what I share in the lecture notes, and I try to extract that information, and I summarize the information in three different type of questions. Okay, so now uh, let's discuss together. Okay, about the, I think, important point in milling process. Okay, so maybe in this question I didn't put in your lecture note, so therefore please take note this question seriously, because this question has been asked frequently, either in test, quiz, and also the final exam. Okay, so for milling process, I list out three different questions that we need to discuss. Number one, we need to discuss the important factors that should be considered for selection of milling media. And number two, how to make sure the milling process is effective. And number three, we need to discuss the type of spray dryer in ceramic processing. Okay, so actually this question has been asked to student. I already asked the student, your seniors, last year. So therefore, this question I asked them to do it in the class. Okay, but for this, due to the COVID issue, so I try to make all this question in the interactive way. Okay, for now we discuss about the important factors that should be considered for selection of milling media, and number two, how to make sure the milling process is effective. Okay, we go to the first question. Important factors in selecting milling media. Okay, I think I already mentioned in the slide for milling media slide, as you can see here. So therefore, this part, okay, explain the important factor that you should consider. Number one, density of milling media. I think this one I already explained to you. The chemically inert also I already explained to you. And then now I want to explain about the effect of size of milling media. Okay, imagine if you choose the same size of the ball mill, what happened to the milling process? Okay, imagine kamu tahu pebbles ataupun guli. Okay, let's say you put the pebbles in the container. Okay, what do you think about the milling efficiency? Are they good or efficient, or it's less efficient? Okay, let's say if you use the same size of milling media, okay, the contact area between the so we continue again about the size of milling media. Okay, in this case, for the size of milling media, we need to use different size of milling media in order to increase the efficiency of the milling process. And of course, number four, the cost effectiveness. If we use much cheaper ball milling media, so means that you can increase your profit. Okay, number two, how we want to improve the efficiency of milling process. Okay, these two question is really important for milling process. Okay, how to improve the efficiency of milling process? Number one, you need to use you need to understand, you need to use suitable type, density, and size of ball milling media, as I mentioned previously. Number two is that reduce the oscillation of technological system. So means that In simple word, you need to reduce the vibration during the milling process. Number 3, you can increase the milling rate with increasing density of milling media. And number 4, you need to control the speed of the milling process in RPM, rotation per minute. Because why we need to control the speed, we can increase the effectiveness and also to prevent wear for the milling media. Number 5 is very important. The amount of material that you put in the milling machine must be appropriate. Okay, normally in ceramic industries there has idle values between the ratio of the ceramics powder and also the ratio of the ball milling media. Okay, normally in milling machine we use 1 to 10 ratio. 1 meaning the weight of the by weight of the ceramic powder. 1 and 10 is the weight of the ball milling media with different size. Okay, so for the next slide, consists of a different type of spray dryer in ceramics processing. We have co-current, we have counter current, we have mixed flow, we have open cycle, we have closed cycle, and we have semi-closed cycle. Okay, the difference between all these spray dryer, you can see the location of the atomizer inside the spray dryer. Okay, for co-current, you can see when they put the atomizer is here, and then you can see the rotation is co-current. Okay, the counter flow like this, the circulation of the airflow inside the spray dryer, and then also the mixed flow dryer. Okay, where the location or where the rotation of the airflow, open cycle and closed cycle. Okay, normally for this type of question we didn't ask you to draw. Okay, normally we just ask you to list and also briefly explain. Okay, the explanation I already put here. Okay, actually this note is not belong to me. It's belong to my last year students. Okay, who doing the group activities, and I select this group as the best group for this kind of discussion topic. So before I finish, okay, before I finish, let me recap back the important point that we already highlight. Number 1 is the important factors. Number 2 is the how to make sure the milling process is effective or efficient. Number 3 is discuss the type of spray dryer in ceramics processing. Okay, please put some symbol here, star or hashtag, so you can, you can highlight here, because this is a really important question for milling process. Okay, especially the factors and also the efficient, how to improve the efficiency of the milling process. Okay, so that's all for this time. So I will continue in the next video about the other type of milling machine for milling process in ceramic processing. Okay, see you. Bye bye.